So what is in my stock market portfolio this week? So I've got Ford once again, that I bought at $10.95, trading very low at 9.12, giving me a 16% loss. Got the options, that of course is absolutely killing me. I bought at $1, trading at 70. I actually have options that I bought at $1.50 in my RSP, so that's going to be even worse, giving me a 30% loss. So definitely Ford right now is a good buying opportunity for those who haven't bought. I bought it twice at $10.95 and $9.75. Got Facebook, of course, is also a good buying opportunity right now, trading in the 150s. I bought it at 168. So I've got a 6% loss right now on Facebook, and I've got AT&T right now. That's the only profitable thing in my portfolio, it seems. I'm up 6% on AT&T. In my RSP, I've got Alibaba that also dropped hard. So right now it's trading at 154, making it a good buying opportunity as well, giving me a 5% loss. Got Dividend 15 Split Corp 2. It's trading at 5.02. I bought at 6.69, giving me a 25% loss. But this is a stock that I'm going to keep forever because it pays, right now it's paying close to 20% dividends per year. And I actually bought some more of this in my Investor's Edge account. I bought at 5.17. Got some more Ford shares here that I bought at 10, giving me an 8% loss. Got some Ford options that I bought at $1.50, giving me a 53% loss. Got some GM shares that I bought at 34. Right now I'm closing at 34.12, so I'm at par. Got some Honda Motor Company shares that I bought at 29.3, closing at 28.85, so I'm down 1.5%. Got some L brand shares that almost came up to 31.35, almost came up to the price that I bought it at last week, but it dropped again with everything else that dropped, and it closed at 28.46, giving me a 9% loss. I was almost at par with this stock last week. And I've got Vodafone that keeps dropping, don't know why. Bought it at 22.87, it closed at 21.08, giving me a 7.8% loss. So as you can see, I'm negative in everything except for GM and AT&T in Questrade. So for Investor's Edge, I contributed to my RESP, so that explains the increase in value of my portfolio. It's not necessarily profits or gains, it's mostly contributions added. So Bank of Nova Scotia I already had. It went all the way up to 78, but it dropped on Friday with everything else, or on Thursday, and it closed at 75.27. I bought some Barclays at $9. I think it closed at around 9.06 or something. Bought some Dollarama at 40.75, closing at 39.6. And the Enbridge that I still own for a very long time pays pretty good dividends. I bought at average price 45, I believe, or 46. It's trading. It closed yesterday at 43.65. So in my TFSA Canadian side, I've got some Cenovus Energy that I bought at 15. It's starting to creep up. I've got some Dividend 15 Split Corp 2 that I bought yesterday. So this is new. I bought at 5.17, so it's trading. It closed yesterday at 5.02, but this one pays around 20% dividends per year. What's good about this price is that it's also close to the price I would get if they were to terminate this mutual fund. I'd be getting around 4.7 with the current net asset value. I'd be getting around 4.7. So I wouldn't be losing that much. That's if they terminate, but most of the time they don't terminate, they just keep renewing. So I've got some more Enbridge in here, and I've got some HBC that's killing me. And on the US side, really nothing good on the US side. Got some General Electric that I bought a bit too high. Bought at 17. It reached all the way down to 11, and now it's at 13. So those who bought it at 11 could have made some good profit right now. Kraft Heinz that I bought at 75, closing at 55.89. New York Mortgage Trust that I bought at 6. Right now it's trading at 5.92. So this is a stock that I'm also going to keep forever because it pays 13% dividends per year. So this could be a good price for those who are interested in dividends. And I bought some Orange Communication. It's a telecom company. It's a competitor of Vodafone. And I bought at 15.75 and it closed at 15.7. This one pays 5 to 6% dividends per year, and it's at a 52-week low. So that's why I bought it. So yeah, so that's what's in my portfolio this week. So I'm definitely glad I sold American Airlines when I did, because now it actually dropped below the price that I bought it at initially. So I would have been definitely mad at myself if I kept it without selling it. Dividend 15 Split Corp is looking very good, dropped 4% yesterday. It's trading at $9. So this is a product from Quadravest that pays monthly dividends, and it's been consistent for 174 consecutive months. What's great about it is the price is very close to the net asset value, the portion of the net asset value you would receive if they do terminate the mutual fund, but usually they don't. So right now net asset value is 17.9. So if they do terminate, you'd be getting around $8. Right now it's trading at $9. So it's getting closer to that amount. So that's what's making it attractive, and it's also the dividends that it pays every month consistently. But personally, I bought Dividend 15 Split Corp 2, the one that's trading at $5. It's not as consistent in dividends, but I find that there's more potential for capital gain, and it's also closer to the net asset value. If they do terminate the mutual fund, I'd be getting around 4.7. So it's closer to the 5.17 that I bought it at right now. So they're both very good products. They have other great products as well. So you can just basically look at them, look at how consistent they've been with their dividends, which you can see under distributions, and then look at the termination date, which you can see under fund features and objectives. So you can see when do they plan on terminating it. Usually they don't, they just keep renewing, but it's good to know what happens when they do terminate it. And obviously look at the charts, look at the price. It's always good to buy something cheaper. Tesla is also looking attractive again. The stock has been fluctuating like crazy. So even at this price, it looks like a good price to buy it at. Unfortunately, I don't have enough liquidity. I'm actually thinking of, I have a 3% promotion with MBNA. I might take advantage of that and just borrow some money from MBNA to invest, but I have to pay it back in a year. So I'm not sure if in a year the money will be available. So that's what I have to consider, but it's definitely something I'm thinking about because there's so many opportunities right now. I think I might be a stock market addict. I have to be careful. All right, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You can email me directly on my website. If you're new to this channel, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're going to open an account with Questrade to trade on the stock market, use my referral code in the description below the video so you can get between $25 and $250 depending on your initial deposit. All right, thanks for watching.